How to get extreme high score on Block Blast. In today's video, I'll be sharing how to get extreme high score in Block Blast. So if you're ready to level up your game, let's dive right in. So when you open Block Blast, here, now while opening Block Blast, you can see two options, Adventure Mode and Classic Mode. For this strategy, we'll focus on Classic Mode. Tap on it to get started. So at the start of your game, you'll be given 3 block shapes. The key to this strategy is having the 4 vertical block. If it's not in your initial selection, don't worry, tap on the cog icon at the top and select replay to refresh your block options. Once you have the 4 vertical block, place it in the bottom right corner of the grid here. This sets the foundation for clearing multiple rows and columns later in the game. So for the other blocks, place them closer to the left side of the grid. This keeps the right side clear for future vertical blocks. Okay, so let's try clearing it. Just don't put it in the right corner where the vertical block is. So keep repeating this process. Place vertical blocks on the right and other blocks on the left. Clear rows and columns whenever possible to maximize your score. The goal is to create a domino effect where clearing one row or column leads to clearing more. By following this strategy, you'll see your score climb higher and higher. It's all about planning ahead and making the most of every block you're given. And that's it. The best strategy to get the high score in Block Blast.